In this video, I will be showing you how to divide radical expressions. We're going to be using the technique of applying the conjugates to both the denominator and the numerator. The conjugate of this expression will be the same expression, except that there is this sign here will be changed. So if it's a minus, it becomes plus. If it's a plus, it becomes minus. So here we have the denominator as a conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate is the same except the sign is flipped. We are ready to multiply the numerators and the denominators now. Okay, so we're going to call the numerator the top. The top will be called numerator. And that will be 3 minus root 2, and then 5 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so sometimes we might need to rearrange so that they can match each other. This one is 3 and the radical. It's a radical and 5. So it's better to flip the 5 over here and the 3 root 2 over here, so that when we write them, the radicals will end up together. Okay, it doesn't really matter, but it's a good practice to do. So we're going to do the math now. So 3 times 5 is 15 over here. And this is other one, 5 times negative root 2 will be negative 5 root 2. Negative 5 root 2. Okay. And then here will be 9 root 2. And here will be negative 3 root 4. Okay. Coming out from here will be 15. And here will be 4 root 2. And here will be, we know that negative 3 times root 4 will be the same thing as negative 3 times 2, which is negative 6. So it will be negative 6 coming out from there. So our job is to add all these together. We're going to add all these together. Okay. Now, the 15 and the 6 is 9. This 15 and the 6 is 9 plus 4 root 2. So we got our numerator. So our numerator here is going to be 9 plus 4 root 2. Now we're going to do the denominator to see what to place under there. So we're going to do the bottom over here, the bottom. Okay, here is set up. Now the bottom, 3 root 2 minus 5, minus 5. And 3 root 2 plus 5. So in this box will be 9 root 4. And this box will be negative 15 root 2. Here is 15 root 2. This is negative 15 root 2 over here. Sorry, I need to rewrite it. So rewrite it. That will be negative, this is 3 root 2, negative 15 root 2. Okay, that's that one. And here is negative 25. Okay, this 15 root 2 and negative 15 root 2 are going to cancel out. We know that for sure. And 9 times 2 is This is going to be 9 times 2. That will be 18. So this is going to come out as 18. Let's use red. 18. Okay? And this is going to come out as 25. Negative 25. And here is 0. 0. So we're going to add these together. 18 plus negative 25 will be negative 7. So this is negative 7. And that goes at the bottom right here. There you have it. That's the answer. The only difficulty here is basically trying to figure out the multiplication of these radicals and adding them correctly. If you are able to figure those out and add them correctly, you are fine. Okay, and being able to simplify this and simplify this. So I hope that this helped you a little bit. If it did, then I will see you shortly. Bye.